So I always liked figuring out problems, solving puzzles, and I also always liked helping people out, helping them get better. I was always fascinated with the human body and how it worked, and wanted to do something where I could combine those things and make a career of that. Hi, I'm John Affuso. I'm a vascular surgeon here at Penn Medicine. Vascular surgery encompasses several different areas. We deal with carotid plaque buildup that can lead to stroke. So we're the ones that are removing the plaque or putting stents in the carotid arteries to fix that. We also deal with aneurysms, mainly in the aorta, in the abdomen, or the chest. And those are typically fixed either with a stent, most commonly, or less commonly with open surgery, where we actually have to replace the aorta. And then we deal a lot with peripheral arterial disease. That's primarily the circulation in the legs, which can be affected due to atherosclerotic plaque and blockages that can lead to disabling leg pain or even ulceration and potential limb loss. So we try to fix all those things to help people function well and prevent them from having major issues. Patients often are very frightened about a diagnosis of an arterial blockage. Oftentimes I'm reassuring them that you're here early enough that we can do something short of surgery and prevent the progression of the problem from causing a major life event. So not all patients that we see progress to needing surgery. Patients often come to see me with disabling leg pain that prevents them from walking and doing their normal daily activities. We can usually get that improved with medications and a supervised walking program. We often try to control the risk factors that include smoking, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol, and then we get them in a walking program, and we'll see them progress to the point where their symptoms are very mild and they have a much better quality of life. Penn Medicine is really one of the top medical centers in the country, if not the world. We have a group of surgeons who are available 24/7 should a problem arise acutely that requires emergent care. We have branched stent grafts now that allow us to treat aneurysms that in the past we couldn't treat with a stent. The best part is seeing patients get better. We get that feedback from patients that they were able to walk their daughter down the aisle, or they were able to go on a trip that they never thought they were going to be able to go on.